Hey plant pals, I'm Mike the Keter Gardener, and today's video is on the Keter Raised Garden Bed. I have one already in my garden, and I liked it so much that when my wife saw one on sale, it was half off, I had to purchase another one. It's a great bed, works excellent, very well. I'm inserting some video of it here. And you can see that it worked very well for me throughout the ridiculously 100-degree hot summer, and it was dry. It has a water reservoir inside of it that you put your water in, and the plants float above. It'll sit above that, and the roots reach down into there and drink as much water as they need. It's a self-watering bed, and it works very well. All right, well, I'm going to unbox it. It was really beat up when it came, so hopefully it's not damaged inside, but we shall see. So I'm going to open the box. I won't bore you with that process, but I'll show you how it looks when I take it out of the box. Be right back. All right, I have removed it from its packaging. This is the deck with the holes that the watering system sits on. That's okay. Here's the legs. They're okay. It's very simple to set up. You just basically push the legs on. I can't even remember if there's a screw or not. I believe there might be like one screw or something like that per leg, but yeah, it works very well. This is just the extra bottoms for the foot, and then there's a water spout. See, there's a drain here, so that like in the wintertime you want to get rid of excess water, or if it rains a lot in the spring, you can there's a spigot that you put there, and that spigot lets the excess water drain out. So yeah, it's a very cool system. Most people paid between $160 and $200 and something for this thing, which is still pretty much worth it. But I got it on sale for $80. So yeah, that's really awesome. All right. Well, I don't need to show you. Well, maybe in the springtime I'll do yeah, that's what I'll do. I'll come back in the springtime. I just wanted to open it to make sure that nothing was broken, everything's fine, which is awesome. Very happy about that. But yeah, I'll come back in the springtime, assemble it. I'll just put it in storage for now. I'll come back in the spring, assemble it, show you me filling it full of soil, and planting plants in it. All right. I hope that was interesting. Any questions, leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Please like and subscribe.